So we're doing something a little different this time for Haik 45's Car of the Week. This is Carl Johansen's 1995 Dodge Dakota SLT 4x4. And it came from the factory equipped with a 5.2 liter Magnum V8. And it has just a ton of dealer installed options from back in the day. The ground effects, the graphics, the visor, the lights, the bumper, the tonneau cover, and it's got roughly about 40,000 miles. It is so clean. Let's show you the interior so you can get an idea. That's what it looks like. And Carl even has the original Chrysler audio cassette to tune the radio, or tune the stereo, but it. Headliner's all perfect. And here are some of the places it's gone and what it shows it's been in. It'll be here all week. And once again, if you or anyone you know has a cool and or eclectic MOPAR of any kind, please let us know, message us, and we may feature you for Car of the Week. Once again, my name is Jaime Hellcat. If you got any questions, just send us a message.